Hello students, today we are going to discuss the topic molecular mass and the steps to calculate its value for any given compound. Molecular mass is defined as the sum of atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule of that substance. It means to find the molecular mass, we have to add the atomic masses of the given atoms. It is therefore relative mass of the molecule expressed in atomic mass unit, which was firstly written as AMU, but now it is written as U. You have come across the table of atomic masses of all the important elements during bridge course. By taking the help from that table, now we will solve numericals based on molecular masses. For example, to find the relative molecular mass of H2, we have to multiply the number 2 with its atomic mass, that is 1. Because in the table, you know the atomic mass of hydrogen is equal to 1U. So answer will be 1 into 2 is equal to 2U. In the same way, to find the molecular mass of oxygen molecule, we have to multiply the atomic mass of oxygen, that is equal to 16U, with its number, that is 2. So answer will be 2 into 16, that is equal to 32U. In the same way, we will find the molecular mass of chlorine, which is equal to 2 multiplied by 35.5 is equal to 71U. In the case of compound water, the number of hydrogen atoms are 2 and oxygen atom is 1. So we will multiply the number of hydrogen atom with its atomic mass 1 and number of oxygen atom, that is 1, with its atomic mass 16. And then we will add these two values. So answer will be 2 plus 16 is equal to 18U. In the same way, we will also find the molecular mass of CO2 molecule, that is equal to 1 into 12 plus 2 into 16 is equal to 12 plus 32, that is equal to 44U. So in the same ways, we can calculate and solve the numericals based on molecular masses for the any given compound.